Well, welcome and good morning to all of you beautiful people. It's an absolutely amazing day here today. Welcome to the Beinn Eighe National Nature Reserve. So my name's Kim. I've recently moved to the Highlands of Scotland and I'm taking you along on my adventures. Right, so we are in the Torridon area today and we are trying out the mountain trail. So yeah. If you've seen my previous video from this location a couple of months ago, you'll know I wanted to try out this trail for a little while now, and today seems like a perfect day to do it. But yeah, we're a little bit into the trail, about just over half an hour maybe. I've got a little bit more of uphill to go, and yeah, if you wanna know how to get here and what the trail's like, enjoy this video.
Grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking leave from this bleak satin. So we'll be miles away. Oh, down the red sky we'll be melting. Somewhere
nice about this trail is that it's waymarked all the way through. So all the way along, you keep passing these cairns. They have the way marker on there. That way you can make sure you're still on the right path. Guys, it's so beautiful up here. This trail is absolutely amazing, but it's pretty hard work to get up here. Path is, you know, it's a good clear path the whole way, but there are some pretty big rock steps along the way, and I'm definitely using my hands a fair bit to, you know, help me keep the balance, get up those bigger steps as well. So yeah, if you come up this way, make sure you've got some solid footwear and you're just prepared. You know, take it slow. You probably need to use your hands as well, and yeah, just enjoy it. Okay people, so we're at the highest point of our trail for today, and yeah, hard work to get up here, but I'm going to turn the camera around in a moment and you'll see yourself why it's absolutely worth coming up here. But yeah, it took us just under 2 hours to get to the top here. I did have a couple of breaks. A couple of times I sat down for a few minutes, and also obviously the time to do a little bit of filming. But yeah, about 500 meters elevation gain to get up here. Nice trail. But yeah, let me turn this camera around so you can enjoy this view with me. So spent a good 20 minutes or so up here, just enjoying the view you can still see behind me, and yeah, taking some photos and all of that, having some food, a bit to drink, but yeah, time to continue on. So let's head along this path and start making our way back down. So one thing I always have to remind myself when I'm hiking is to not just always look ahead, but every now and then, you know, also make sure you turn around and look and check what the view is like behind you. Because right at this point, I've got something pretty beautiful to look at right behind me here. Let me turn the camera around. And also from up there, it's where we've just come from. Right, so we're dropped pretty much all the way back down, and we're just about to join the good old forest trail again. Now the forest trail is the one I did a couple of months ago. I'll pop the link to that video up here, and yeah, it's a nice little trail, but just look at, let me pop a picture up here as well and just show you how different it was just a couple of months ago. But yeah, so from this point you can pretty much go left or right. Distance wise, don't think it's much in it. But yeah, last time we did this trail we went round it clockwise, so down there. So yeah, I'm gonna head the other way. Okay people, so we're officially done with today. Back at the car, had a wonderful little hike today. As you've seen, some great views, pretty much all the way around, but especially when you get to the top. So yeah, about 3.5 miles around. So trail's not very long, but it did take me roughly about 3.5 hours as well to get around. But yeah, that's with quite a few stops and filming breaks as well. But yeah, we went to do the round the trail clockwise, and personally I think it would be my preferred way of doing it. If you do it clockwise, just my impression was that the way up is a bit steeper, and the trail seems a bit rougher than the other side where you'll come back down when you do it clockwise. And yeah, that's just my preference. You know, if the trail's very steep and quite rough, I personally find it easier to go up that way and then the trail down. I mean, no, don't get me wrong, it was pretty steep in places as well, but overall it did seem a bit more gradual, and you know, the path a little bit nicer, not as rough. But yeah, nice day out. Got our exercise in, working on my mountain fitness, so we can do some bigger trips and mountains in the summer. But yeah, now it's just to drive back home, and I'll see you soon for our next little adventure. Bye bye.